Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will open Device Manager and act immediately. Press Windows key plus X and choose Device Manager, then expand keyboards. Once done, enable View Show Hidden Devices so missing entries appear. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator because driver changes require elevated rights. If you're using a tablet or remote session, plug in a USB keyboard now to keep input available. This prepares the system so the next steps, driver refresh and scan, work without interruption and avoid accidental lockouts. Once hidden devices are visible, choose Action then scan for hardware changes to force detection. This often restores a missing keyboard entry. If an entry appears, right-click and select Uninstall Device, then restart the PC so Windows reinstalls a clean driver. If nothing appears, expand Human Interface Devices and check for keyboard-related entries. Update drivers manually by choosing Update Driver and browse My Computer or search automatically. Make sure to reboot after driver changes to apply new device bindings and remove stale registry links. If reinstalling drivers didn't help, inspect resources by connection to spot IRQ or I/O conflicts that hide the device. Run Windows Update and check optional updates for keyboard or chipset drivers, then reboot. If the keyboard remains absent, enter BIOS or UEFI to ensure onboard keyboard support is enabled. A disabled controller prevents OS detection. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, perform a system restore to a point when the keyboard worked. This often reverses registry or driver changes that invisible entries depend on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.